So yo, what's going on YouTube? We're back in this video again, you know what I'm saying? But like yo, so today, I don't know, for some reason it's snowing in Canada, and I make like April, but today, get something done for real, Can't quiet, you know what I'm saying? So yo, we're gonna have to go, Downpipe just came in the mail, for sure, I gotta make sure that is said. So Downpipes came, so we'll do the resonators today, and then put the Downpipe in tomorrow. So it'll be in one video though, so Downpipe, Resonator Delete will be in one video, but we're gonna do that today and the Downpipe probably tomorrow. It's warm, because as I said before, it snowed. It's snowing right now, probably. So let's get that cold start off the whip, and I say, and then yo, you guys know what's going on. At Pipe's Performance. This is where we're going to be getting the Resonator Delete today. So bring guys inside so you guys can see and hear what it sounds like before and after they're done. Let's go. Sport Plus. So now the car is on the OS, taking the resonator out. We have this over here. So now the resonator is out. So it's 3" all the way from the downpipe back. We're about to delete the res. Keep the mufflers, do the downpipe, and that should give us a nice sounding because I have the valve. So if we don't get a good sounding when I do this, and then I'm just gonna empty the muffler, I'm gonna just do a PE mod in the muffler, keep the drum same reason, keep my valve because I want to keep my valve. I like the way when I'm in sport, it makes noise and eco it doesn't, so I like that. So that's how it looks with the Resonator Delete. Just a straight pipe all the way until you get to the muffler. I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like right now. So we're gonna lower the OS and then do a little startup. I don't know. For me, I don't think it's loud. Put the Downpipe in. It's much better. Just like, it's a little bit louder, but it's not as loud as I think it would have been. So we're gonna put the Downpipe in and then let's see what we get after that. So today we're gonna be installing the Downpipe on the 335. I bought a catless Downpipe. This is the Downpipe that I bought. It's a 3" because the turbo that I have on my car only works with a 3" Downpipe. It doesn't work with a 4". So I'm gonna take you guys through the steps. It's fairly easy. No, it's not nothing too hard. Anyone can really do this as long as you have a jack and you have mechanical experience. You can do this. We're gonna take you guys through the steps right now. So I need to jack up the car right now, but for now we're gonna disconnect the O2 sensor. So you gotta take off the engine cover. It just clips right off, and then on your car there's probably gonna be a little sponge thingy right here. On my car, it doesn't have it for some weird reason, and then you have the two O2 sensors right here. So one is 4-pin and one is 5-pin. So these cannot be messed up. Like the 4-pin won't work in the 5-pin, so it doesn't matter which way you guys do it. But for now, we're just gonna disconnect these. It just clips out, and then we just disconnect these. We're probably gonna have to tie them up for now so they don't drop down, and we're disconnecting the downpipe because I don't know if you guys can see the downpipe is right in there. So we're gonna leave those for now, and then we're gonna jump the car up and then I'll show you guys what's going on underneath the car. So now we jack up the car. There's a couple 8mm screws that you're gonna have to take out from underneath. There's a couple that you just take out. After you take that out, you should be able to see the downpipe. You can see the downpipe, right? Yeah, you should be able to see the downpipe. On the downpipe, there's gonna be two flanges, one on the exhaust and then one on the turbo. The exhaust one is a 15 mil, and then the one on the turbo is a 13 mil, and there's gonna be two bolts to the transmission. And then after that, realistically, the downpipe should just drop out. But it depends. I'm gonna show you guys a closer look. So this is the one on the exhaust. That's one bolt right here that you're gonna need to open, and then the next bolt is right there on the flange for the turbo. And then there's the next bolt right there that you're gonna have to open. After that, realistically, the old downpipe should just come right out. So right now I'm gonna open this one first. I'm gonna open this one, then I'm gonna open these two right here. So that one right there, and then that one up there, and then I'm gonna tackle this one. It depends on how your flange is set too, because some cars the flange is set up top. For my car, it's set at the bottom, so it should be easier to open. Well, we're about to see right now. So I'm gonna open these two, and then I'm gonna let you guys know what's happening. So we took out this. We opened this flange. We also took out the two bolts right there, one right there, and then one right there. So now we just need to tackle this bolt right here. This is a 30 millimeter, so this shouldn't really be too hard to open. The only problem is right now my car is hot because I drove it here. So right now the catalytic converter is super hot. But other from that, we're gonna take this 30 millimeter bolt out, and then realistically the downpipe should just come right out after that. But let's see. So we took out the cap. This little gasket is gonna be on that one. So you gotta take it off and put it back on this. The O2 sensors. And then that's basically it. Now all you have to do is just put it in the same way you took it out. So this way, but when you put it on, try to make your V-band stay at the bottom. So if you really need to take it back off again, it's easy to come off. And then for this one, it doesn't matter where you really put it, because this is to the flex pipe. And then these two nuts, you don't really have to put them on, but you can put them on if you really want. And then the O2 sensors are in. So now I'm about to put it back in. It's the same way I took it out, and I'll let you guys know what's happening. Yeah, guys, we just done installing the downpipe. Yo, let me get a couple reps. Way louder. So that's just catalyst downpipe, press delete, stock mufflers, and this is how it sounds. Yeah, it's a good sounding. I like the way it is. A couple tire marks. I like the way it sounds right now. Wait until this guy comes back.